going to hang out with freaking a drone homie I met at Mountain Film, dude.
They don't know where I'm gonna land it around here. Gotta have some fun.
Oh yeah, I'm so close to pulling my hamstring. Oh, hello, gorgeous.
Oh! I fucking shot my own fucking head off.
I wasn't gonna fully send it on that dive. That was like the first real dive I've ever done. To be able to go all the way up that waterfall like that and just keep picking away. It just was like, this is sick, this is sick, this is sick, this is sick. Then you get all the way up there. And I wanted to just obviously go as low as I could and just send it, but I really don't know yet how to be super confident with when this signal is gonna get lost behind trees or rock.